Well, thanks so much, Charles. I am so delighted to be here with you today, and absolutely delighted that my parliamentary assistant, Yvonne Baker, could be with us today, too. I know Yvonne has been very involved with the work that a lot of you are doing, and I just want to say thanks for doing what you're doing, Yvonne. You're terrific. I also need to give a great big shout out to Ontario's digital team, many of whom are here today. You are rock stars, every one of you. I am so proud of what you're delivering for the people of Ontario, so thank you for that. So, I love government. I love government. Those are words you hear every day, I know. But I do love government. I'll tell you why I love government. I love government because it can do really great things that nobody else can do. So it's a great privilege for me to work in a government that's really determined to do better things for more people. We serve everybody in the province. 13.5 million people rely on government. We get to deliver universal health care. We get to deliver world-class education. We have big responsibilities in government, and we're proud of what we're able to do. But we can do it so much better by putting the digital skills to work. We've got great opportunities to really simplify government, to make sure that everybody who should be able to access a program is able to access it in a way that's simple, that's clean, that's transparent. And that's why I'm so excited to be the minister responsible for digital government, because I get to drive some of that transformation of government services. My favorite child is, actually I've got 3 kids and they're all my favorites, but my favorite government child is the OSAP transformation. It brought together my responsibility as minister responsible for advanced education and skills development, my passion for equality, social justice, and digital. Because now what we have at ontario.ca/OSAP is the calculator that actually is opening the doors to higher education for people right across this province. And every chance I get to talk about the OSAP calculator, I do. Dinner parties, it doesn't matter. Somebody sits beside me on the bus, I pull out the calculator. You think I'm kidding, but I'm not. I just think it's so amazing that government can do this. And only government can do this. So, as I say, government rocks. But it could rock more. You see, we in government, we have services and programs that go back decades. Social assistance, for example, goes back decades, and we have systems that support social assistance that go back decades. We can't just turn off that system and do it better and then turn it on again, because people are counting on us to do the transformation while we continue to deliver those services. But what we can do is make those services a lot simpler for people. And that's what we're here today to talk about. It's about a new partnership. It's a new partnership with others who care about building up communities, who care about improving public services for people. So I'm very, very proud to announce that Ontario is partnering with technology leaders to launch Code for Canada. It's a new not-for-profit organization. It will connect coders and designers with governments and with communities to enhance digital literacy and to improve people's lives through digital technologies. So there are 2 missions with Code for Canada. The first is they will create, support, connect a network of innovators and grassroots civic tech groups in communities across provinces and across Canada. And they're going to work at the community level to increase digital literacy, engage the public with civic issues, help governments use technologies to tackle real-life problems. So that's one job for Code for Canada. The second job is that it will help us bring passionate technologists directly into government to work on digital projects. So Civic Innovation Fellows will work together with government teams on the inside to tackle problems, interesting challenges, improve services for people on the outside of government. So consider it a tour of duty that people can do within government to benefit all people in the province, to connect with others who share your passion for doing good, and to apply your awesome technical skills to build a society that's more digitally inclusive. So I can tell you, there is no better way to make a lasting difference for people than to work within government. We're all about making lives better. We need you. We will support your work because we can do more if we do it together. So today, we join other countries like the United States, Australia, and Germany in a global movement that makes government the best it can be for the people who depend on it. So this is the start of something magnificent and something that governments and our partners can be proud of.